So, what up guys? It's your boy No Cat Ed in the building. And today guys, I'm about to show you how to protect your Camaro Z01 SS, any type of Camaro. So, the things that y'all gonna be needing for the Camaro is a kill switch. If y'all don't got no kill switch on y'all car, I don't care what type of car y'all got, put a kill switch on that junk. Kill switch all day, all freaking day. A few other things is that you always want to put a OBD port blocker on your car. You don't want nobody trying to get that freaking thing and put it in your car and bust the window and take off with your shit, because you don't want nobody to make a damn key for your fucking car. Another thing is that y'all really want to get a bag. It's like a little bag thing that y'all can pretty much protect y'all keys. So if they trying to, steal the sitting from y'all key, you know what I'm saying, them little. And what else? Let's see. But yeah, y'all, how y'all like the Camaro? I did get my junk, I did get it, if I know, y'all know. If y'all watch the video, y'all know that they did this stupid damage on the car. I really never got a chance to fix it yet, because it don't really make no sense trying to fix it. It did hit my window. Even though I did get like 30, I think I got about a good 30, 32. Oh yeah, make sure to cover y'all VIN. Make sure to cover y'all VIN. You do not want these people taking a picture of y'all VIN to make something. So, but we ain't gonna get it fixed, y'all. We're not gonna get this fixed. We just gonna get it wrapped and not worry about it no more. Yeah, so how y'all like the Camaro? You know what I'm saying? This old Betsy and John. I know I've been gone for a long time, y'all. I just been trying to focus, What up, YouTube? Bro, I know y'all see that Z01 in the back, y'all. So, for now, y'all, I pretty much gave y'all a whole video. Damn, I don't know why I just said it like that, y'all. I don't know. I began, I'm a little anti-social a little bit, y'all. So, I got to get back on my camera junk. So, for now, y'all, I just put y'all on to some sauce on how to protect y'all car. So basically, you always want to put a kill switch on your car. No matter what car y'all got, that's the first mod. I don't go straight for the kill switch, y'all. Kill switch, the kill switch gonna pretty much run you about $200, about a good $200 to $100. It depends on who you go to, y'all. And make sure to put a tracker on y'all car. That's another thing that I forgot to say in the video. Anytime in y'all car, make sure to hide that junk. And that's another thing, y'all. Make sure to put about 3 to 5 kill switches in y'all car. So if they found one kill switch, y'all know the deal. But yeah, y'all, make sure to put, make these freaking little kids that so-called broke. Just make sure to watch out, because they actually be doing dumb shit sometimes. So, make sure to keep that shit going. But how y'all like the car though? I'm thinking about pretty much getting all this done and everything. So we basically gonna get this whole junk pretty much spot. So I might end up taking this wrap off, y'all, and I might just wrap the whole car. I don't know yet. But y'all pretty much just let me know. And another thing, y'all, I've been losing power lately, so y'all let me know on that, because I'm trying to figure out what I really supposed to do with that type of situation, because that's the only issue that I've been having with, is pretty much losing power. But yeah, so I get any type of Camaro, y'all, any type of Camaro. I know y'all all wondering, like, the last video I posted, y'all, my Camaro did get stolen, y'all. I did not have all the stuff that I'm about to show y'all, that I'm about to tell y'all in this video, y'all. So basically, y'all always gotta pay attention. If you stay in any type of apartment, y'all, with a garage, y'all, please, y'all, do not park y'all car in no type of apartment garage, y'all. The cameras, the people that work there, they gonna act like they don't know what happened to your car or none of that, bro. None of that, y'all. So please, bro, if you stay in an apartment, y'all, just get a townhouse, y'all, or get a Or leave that joint somewhere in a garage, at your parents' house, anywhere that y'all know. If you got an apartment, y'all, your Camaro is not safe. If your apartment got a garage where anybody can park, if you don't got no private garage, they can just park your car in there by itself. Hey. But yeah, so that's one thing. One thing, y'all, do not park that car in a garage with a whole bunch of cars. Cause your junk is gonna get hit. So, number 2, y'all, don't take your car to the dealership, y'all. I understand that y'all pretty much don't know the actual thing, but the dealership be having folks that be doing that key junk. So don't go to the dealership. Do not go to no dealership, bro. I'm telling y'all, don't even leave your car at the dealership, because somebody gonna be inside. It's gonna be an inside job at the dealership, y'all, and they gonna take your damn car. So don't leave your car at the dealership, y'all. If you got a Camaro, do not leave your car at the dealership. If you gonna end up doing it, y'all, like, I ready to go to somebody on the side, bro. Do not go to a dealership for anything, y'all. For 2024, do not go to no damn dealership, y'all. That's one thing. Do not go to no dealership. The other thing is, make sure to get a OB, I think it's called an OBD port. Make sure to get an OBD port block, just in case these people can't plug up the shit up into their little freaking so-called device. So make sure, get that shit blocked. Make sure you get a block for that shit, y'all. All that. Another thing is, let's see. Oh yeah, make sure to put a tracker in your car. Cause like, if you don't got no tracker in your car, I don't know what you got going on. Like, some of this stuff that I'm telling y'all, this supposed to be the first mods. Forget about the car tent, y'all. Forget about the car tent. Get that protection for your car first. Fuck all that, bro. I rather have a fishbowl. I rather have a fishbowl when I first get a damn car. I rather get all the damn protection first. Then you go to the damn tents. After that, y'all, let's see. Damn, I forgot the damn number while I'm on. Damn, I really forgot, y'all. But another thing, watch out for the people that you hang out with, y'all. Cause they can be hating on you on the low. So don't really, kind of, have a small circle of friends and shit. Cause y'all know, cause they can be hating on you on the low. So, find your group of people, make content with them. Another thing is car meets, y'all. If you go to a damn car meet, y'all, it's gonna have people there that's actually watching your car. They gonna be, I'm telling y'all, bro. When you go to a car meet, watch out. If you get out your car, these folks be smart and they will put something on your car, y'all. So pay attention to what car meets you go to. I don't care. If you see a whole bunch of folks at a car meet, kind of like minimize from you actually like walking off and leaving your car, because that's the time when they can tag your car. So watch out for that. Another thing is, make sure to get protection. Like, make sure to buy yourself a freaking handgun, anything for protection, just in case of anything happen. So you want to always protect yourself. Let's see. Oh yeah, a kill switch. Make sure to put a kill switch, y'all. You can put how many kill switch you want in the car, the more the better. Cause make sure to put a kill switch in your car. Cause your car would be pretty much, they can't do shit at all. They can't start it. And another thing, y'all, make sure to get one of them key signal blockers. So when you at your house, make sure to put that inside the box. I should put like a little picture right here. It's on Amazon. Y'all go get it. So get that. Make sure to put that inside. Make sure to put your keys inside the box for these people that can't take the signal from your key. And these people, they like to, they watch you. So pay attention. So basically, watch for your surroundings and shit. So make sure to pay attention when you driving home. Do not drive directly home, y'all. If you feel like somebody following you, don't go straight home. Cause these folks I keep looking up here, y'all. I'm not looking at the camera. Y'all don't think my ass cross-eyed. Do not go home. If you feel like somebody following y'all, do not go straight home. Go somewhere else. Do not go home. Because when you go home, they're going to follow you. And watch out what you post. Do not post your address. None of that, y'all. None of that. Like, do not even post out number. Like, none of that junk. Let's see. Oh yeah, I did get I'm growing my beard out and stuff. I made sure to let me know on some damn beard oil. I do need to grow this, this junk out. But what else? That should be about it, y'all. I ain't gonna even count to you. It's crazy 'cause I did make a video earlier about this, and I feel like I pretty much just left out certain things. Oh yeah, make sure to add like a wheel lock on y'all steering wheel. Just in case, y'all, if anything, because you want to protect your car at all, make sure to protect your car. Protect your asset. I don't care what nobody say, y'all. These folks keep talking about, well, anyway, I could just file my insurance claim, this and that. Bruh, if you do that, bruh, you a straight wussy, bruh. Is you a wussy? You protect your asset. You protect something that you want. You protect something that you like. Do not be one of them lame folks and say, oh, well, I can call my insurance people. They'll give me my money back. Okay. You want to be like those? You don't need a car. Do not get these type of cars. Shit, the only thing y'all gonna do is go back and get another expensive car and y'all gonna do the same thing. Come on. So make sure to protect our asset. Make sure to get everything. Make sure to get a wheel lock just in case, because these people these days, they like to take everything. Make sure to get a wheel lock, hood lock, all that, y'all, for they can't even pop the hood on y'all. But yeah. But yeah, y'all, I just been chilling, y'all. I know y'all been wondering where I've been at. I just pretty much been just focusing on myself, and I do need a haircut, y'all. So I'm just in this random parking lot, just chilling. What else, y'all? But yeah, y'all, just make sure to watch our surrounding, bro. If y'all see a group of people like at a gas station, please do not go there, y'all. Just drive out, bro. Be smart. Do not act like you got an upper hand, bro. These folks they'll really crash, they'll crash out about these type of cars. To protect ourselves, because anything can pretty much happen at any time. But yeah, that was it, y'all. Hopefully y'all liked the video, and I just gave y'all some sauce on things not to do. And yeah, let me go ahead and go, y'all. And I love y'all, no cap, man. If y'all watch this video, just understand that do not get y'all cars took. Do not. I repeat, do not. But yeah. And make sure to get a camera. Make sure to get a dash camera, y'all. A hidden camera anywhere in your car, just in case, so you can actually catch these folks. Hey, but yeah. But y'all take care though. No cap, Ed out the building. No cap.